Shenzhen MuenLed Technology Company Limited was established in 2016 with a registered capital of 5 million yuan and located at number A1, second floor, Industrial South Road 51, Xinhe Community, Fuhai Street, Baoan District, Shenzhen. Muen specializes in LED indoor and outdoor full-color LED display. Over the past years, MuenLed has been not only concentrated to researching in the field of LED technology and the production of LED full-color display, sales and service, but also committing to providing customers with comprehensive solutions. The LED display products sell well in Asia, Europe, North America, South America, Africa, and Oceania. 110 countries and regions, covering 30 domestic provinces, municipalities, and autonomous regions. Muen adheres to the core of value of the integrity, tolerance, thankful and responsibility. Muen researches and develops full range of LED application products, variety of product structures. Muen also commits and fulfill the customer's professional service and guidance around the world with the service style of serious, strict, initiative, and efficient. Muen has passed a 3C certificate. Muen has a professional technical team to serve and answer questions from customers to provide the best solutions, make the spare parts matching, and network communication. Due to the serve showing personalized, comprehensive, long-term, less defects, Muen wins the confidence of customers and make them rest assured, sincere and happy.